What's up, everybody? Today we are playing Granny 2. Now, I haven't uploaded a long time on my regular YouTube channel. And if you're wondering who Mr. Potato is, I didn't get hacked. It's just my alt account. It's just an alt account. So, I'm gonna try and defeat this game. Oh my god! No! Oh my god, dude. You gotta be joking me. Stop it. Stop! Go down here. Do we have everything for the boat? Because I have a server full of idiot noobs who probably don't know how to play this game. Alright, let's go up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. What is happening up there? What is going on up there? I don't like this darkness. I see mysterious things. Why is it so dark? Is this how the earth is? Just darkness? Can I go in here? Oh my god, I didn't even notice. What are you idiots doing? Gasoline! I found gasoline. Is this where everybody just is? These idiots are not even doing nothing. I have to do all the work. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I don't die by this stupid grandfather. Alright. Alright, we got gasoline. Dude, I'm switching servers. Alright, hopefully this other server can help me. It's all full of idiot noobs too. So like, yeah. Oh my god, dude, we have 1 minute. Tell me, what am I gonna do in 1 minute? Idiot. The key goes right here. Or the other side probably. Dude, oh my god. I'm the only one who's doing all the good stuff. I think I need a freaking weapons key for that. Everything's not pay to win. Bro, oh my god. We have 60 seconds left. I don't even think we can beat the game in this time. No. What's cornering me, dude? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Jeez, dude. Jeez. Dude, oh my god. Okay, no, they're playing copyright music. They're playing FGTV's Granny's House. Dude, nobody's helping. Literally, we have 15 seconds left, and we just start playing copyright music so my video can get copyright claimed by FGTV himself. Dude, we have 5 seconds. Oh my god, dude. Alright. Dude, I don't know why, but like they just started playing they just started playing really copyrighted music. Like if I don't have YouTube. Do not play this again, you idiot. Alright, he's just gonna get his. Oh my god, he's in the freaking bathroom. What is my guy doing in there besides taking a bath? What is he doing in the bathroom? Get. Dude, there's nothing useful. Oh my god. What? She hit me all the way when she was backing up? What is that? This sucks. This is so trash. Dude, I have to beat the game with another server full of complete idiots. Oh, wait, never mind. This guy has a gasoline. Dude, that's it. You don't need any anymore. Just throw it in the ocean. Feed it to that little disgusting octopus. Oh, okay, that's nothing but a stupid trap. What's in here? absolutely nothing that can help me. Dude, oh my god. That's, I, go TV. Dude, oh my god. Leave, move, move. Why does this guy have no face? Oh my gosh. He got it. I swear, dude. If they're like guarding. Oh my god, dude. I don't even know what I do with this meat. Do I cook it for myself? Do I eat meat? Do I eat a chicken wing for tonight? Because I would love that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, dude. She is upstairs guarding the place. Stop guarding the dang place. You idiot old woman. Dude, oh my god. I joined the server. Why do these guys have no faces? She's coming. How did she hit me? That dude was literally... Oh my god, dude. This game is so retarded. Oh my god. And of course, he leads her down here. This is some bull crap. This is some bull... Oh my god! This guy is freaking all down there. Huggy Wuggy. Freaking protecting his dang wife. Let me pick it up. Oh my god! I don't even think I can go. Literally, the special key unlocks those barbed wires. Those idiot barbed wires. I can't get through there because the stupid grandpa is now upstairs. Oh my gosh, dude. This idiot grandpa. He's not here no more. Please. Please. Please tell me you want to go take a nap. Give me the meat. I don't even know what I'm gonna use it for. I'll be going around the corner when I come. Okay, good. That guy used something for once in his pathetic life. What's in here? What is that? Helicopter. That did nothing in my pathetic life. Alright, well. Can we feed this to him? Oh my god, are you serious? My guy teleported. They got a pet octopus. Bruh, I'm trying to feed the meat to the little baby creature. I can't because there's a freaking octopus there. Shut up, Grandpa. This is why the elderly does not deserve rights. I'm stuck. Alright. Calm down, dude. I gotta... Dude, why did that squid decide to come here? What the hell? Why does it keep coming here? Oh my god, dude. I can't even go over there. I'm not even gonna get the meat now. We have to escape still. Dude, don't shoot me. I'm not even a hostile. I'm not even freaking chasing after you. Alright. What's down here? Is this some bull crap gonna kill me? Oh, this is a stunt gun. Alright, let's go. I'm not going there. Move, idiot! You're in my way! Oh my god. See? You get dropped, Granny. What is that? Mash views. I like how he's just dancing over Granny's rotting dead body. Oh my god, dude. This guy's all lovey-dovey crawling. Why are you following me in here? You wanna like do some strange thing to me? Cause I am not gay, dude. Alright. We go down here to get something. Move, idiot. What does this do? What does that do? Does that like unlock a secret room? What did that do? Unfortunately, that did nothing. I wasted all that time, all that stuff, just to get nothing. That's how you know Roblox really hates Roblox players. Yeah. Alright. Alright, well, unfortunately, that's gonna be it of Granny Chapter 2. This game didn't really have enough things. So, like, yeah, maybe I'll come back to this game and try to, like, do it with friends and all that. I'll probably not upload for the next, like, 2 months or something. So, like, bye. Because I don't like to upload all day, every day like I used to. So, bye, everybody.